in a move reflecting the evolving threat landscape. Turkey has unveiled a new generation of its Korkut short-range air defense system, the Korkut 100-25. Developed by Aselsan, the system is designed to counter the growing threat of mini-sardui, micro, FPV, tethered, and kamikaze-style drones, threats that conventional air defenses often struggle to neutralize quickly and effectively. The Korkut 100-25 builds on previous Korkut systems, particularly the 35mm version, but introduces a number of enhancements specifically designed for today's asymmetric air threats. Some of its key features uses 25mm smart, programmable ammunition called the ATOM 25mm. This enables airburst effects, fragment clouds, and other effects which are more suitable for small, maneuverable aerial targets. Integrates advanced sensors including electro-optical infrared systems, laser rangefinders, automatic target detection and tracking, external radar and optical inputs. It also includes automatic ballistic calculations and stabilization for firing on the move. It can be mounted on a variety of wheeled vehicle platforms, 4x4, 6x6, 8x8, and even tracked. The version at DSEI was displayed on the Ader Yalçın 4x4 wheeled tactical armored vehicle. This system is designed to counter close-in threats, particularly mini-cheat micro UAVs, FPV drones, tethered drones, and kamikaze-type drones. It can engage threats in rural or difficult environments. The Korkut 100-25 is not a standalone system. It is part of Turkey's broader Steel Dome program, an integrated, layered air and missile defense architecture. Steel Dome aims to cover the full spectrum, from very low-altitude threats, e.g. drones, rockets, artillery, mortars, to high-altitude threats. Close-in air defense layer. This system provides a last line of defense against small aerial threats that can bypass radar, missiles, or electronic warfare countermeasures. Due to its ability to be mounted on lighter, more agile vehicles, this system can protect mobile units, forward operating bases, and critical infrastructure that is not anchored to static positions. Integration with sensors and information networks. This system operates using input from external sensors, radars, and optical systems. It will likely be managed or deployed as part of a networked command system to respond to rapidly evolving threats. Political or supply constraints, etc., geopolitical friction, export restrictions, make reliance on foreign systems risky. Developing a robust domestic system strengthens strategic autonomy. It's not just drones. Rockets, artillery shells, mortars acting as CRAMs, and even tethered reconnaissance balloons or slower aerial vehicles are increasingly part of modern conflict zones. Systems with fast reaction times, precision, and a high rate of fire are essential. Mobile forces, logistics centers, convoys, etc. benefit from air defense systems that can move with them, rather than relying solely on fixed air defense assets. Detection and tracking. To neutralize small, fast, low-altitude threats, the sensor suite must be extremely capable. Small radar cross-section, high maneuverability, jamming, and low visibility are all issues. Airburst munitions and fragmentation clouds pose risks, especially in densely populated or vulnerable environments. Precision, timing, and control are critical. Ammunition costs, maintenance, logistics, and crew training must be managed. Soft kill systems, electronic warfare, jamming, often complement each other. A combination of hard and soft kills is often more efficient. Even the best systems are less useful if they are not well integrated into the threat's command, control, sensor, and data links. Delays or gaps in detection, tracking, and engagement networks can reduce effectiveness. The system has strong export potential. Aselsan has demonstrated the Korkut family integrated into various vehicles, such as the UAE's Wahash 8x8, and is involved in partnerships in the Gulf region. because many countries face drone threats and share similar vulnerabilities. There is a large market. The Korkut 100-25's mobility, modularity, and indigenous technology make it attractive. However, competition is intensifying. Many countries are developing or acquiring anti-drone short-range air defense systems. The differentiating factors are cost, performance, detection, reaction time, ease of integration, and maintainability. The launch of the Korkut 100-25 marks a significant step in Turkey's air defense modernization. The system directly addresses emerging air threats, complements existing air defense layers, and signals an increase in domestic capabilities. If fully deployed, well-networked, and logistically supported, the system can provide reliable protection against small, fast, and short-range air threats that are increasingly common on the modern battlefield. For Turkey, as for many other countries, building a resilient, flexible, and multi-layered air defense is no longer optional. It is essential. It is essential.